Hello everyone, today we will learn how to install VNC server which give the services to remotely access. For that purpose we need Mobi Extreme software to remotely access the Raspberry Pi. So first for that purpose when we access Raspberry Pi, write sudo apt-get update. So it will get all the updates required for the Raspberry Pi. So the update is going on. Let's wait a bit. And update is already done. Now we will give this command to install real VNC server. For this purpose, write sudo apt-get install real VNC server. Installation is going on. Data is fetched. Waiting change logs done. Unpacking real VNC server. So it is installing VNC server on the Raspberry Pi side. For that you also need a VNC reader or server on your desktop. So I have already installed that on my desktop. So let's go and check either we can access the Raspberry Pi remotely or not. Let's open VNC. So you need an IP for that, IP of the Raspberry Pi. So you need to fetch that first. I have already fetched the IP. I'll try to open this Raspberry Pi through VNC. It's trying to connect that. It's taking too much time. It seems there is some error in the connection. We will wait a bit to see what happened. Oh, timed out waiting for a response from the computer. So there is some error. We need to do some settings on the Raspberry Pi side. So press OK that and let's go back to the Mobi Extreme. So let's access Pi with that IP and give some password. Do not want to save that now. So now we have access to the Raspberry Pi. So we need to give this command sudo raspi -config. It will open a GUI or some command which we need to open to allow come to this interface options and select that option number 3 and come to VNCi3. Yes and OK. VNC server is enabled. So let's come out of this window. Finish. Okay, let's go back to the VNC server on our computer. And we will try, can we connect to Raspberry Pi or not, or can we see the Raspberry Pi desktop on our computer. This is the window, repair window. Yes, continue. Yes, we can now see the Raspberry Pi desktop. Yes, we can open the terminal and write or any command on that. For example, list. Yes, we can see the different list of the Raspberry Pi. Thanks for watching this video.